Chapter 8. Basics of Coding, Algorithm and Sequence. In this chapter, what is an algorithm? What is sequence? What is branching? What is an abstraction? Hello friends, have you heard about algorithm, sequence, branching, etc.? These are some terms related to computers. In this chapter, we will understand these terms in detail. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is step-by-step instructions to solve a given problem. Let us learn with the help of an example. To buy a pizza, you would usually follow these steps. 1. Take the money and go to the pizza shop. 2. Choose a pizza. 3. Choose the toppings over your pizza. 4. Make payment to the shopkeeper. 5. Take the balance amount and your pizza. 6. Return home. These steps are an example of algorithm. As we have prepared set of instructions for buying a pizza, we cannot change the order of the instructions. If we would change the order of the algorithm, we won't be able to get the desired result, which is the pizza here. So, this is a sequence. A sequence occurs when items are arranged in a particular order. What is branching? Consider an example. Mayank's mother told him that if he finishes his homework quickly, then he can go out to play for an hour with his friends. Here, Mayank can go out to play only if he finishes his homework quickly. It is a conditional statement. Sometimes an algorithm also contains a condition action if-then statement. If the first condition is true, then only the other takes place. Let's understand this better with the help of an algorithm. 1. Go to a park. 2. Go near the rides. 3. If the swing is empty, then ride on the swing first. 4. If the slide is empty, then ride on the slide first. In this example, you have been instructed to ride a swing first if it is empty, else a slide first if it is empty. This if-then statements in an algorithm is known as branching. What is an abstraction? We all know that the television is rectangular in shape. Here, we focused only on the shape of the television other than any other feature of it. So, we will call it an abstraction. Abstraction refers to focusing on important information and ignoring the rest. We can also say that it means filtering out data. What is debugging? When we write algorithms, sometimes we make mistakes that do not let it to work properly. The unnecessary mistakes in an algorithm are known as bugs. The process of finding these bugs and removing them is known as debugging. Removing bugs from an algorithm helps in its correct functioning. Look at the two algorithms given below. Algorithm 1, Algorithm 2. Add flour to a bowl. Add flour to a bowl. Need to make dough. Add water. Add water. Need to make dough. Cover with a clean cloth. Cover with a clean cloth. The difference between both algorithms is debugging. We will first add water and then only knead the flour to make dough and not the other way. Revision time. An algorithm is step-by-step instructions to solve a given problem. A sequence is the arrangement of items in a particular order. The process of if-then statements in an algorithm is known as branching. Abstraction refers to focus on one important information and ignore the rest. The unnecessary mistakes in algorithms are known as bugs. The process of finding these bugs and removing them is known as debugging.